Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. How you doing this morning? Hey, I'm finally getting that bird dew off of the front of Malachi. And if you haven't noticed, you see these windshield wipers? The other day, I was inspecting them and I actually got one of the wipers back behind the other, and when it tried to wipe, it actually hung up. And well, ever since then, it's been stuck in that position. So today, we're going to try to at least fix that, and also one other quick repair that I want to mention. But you'll have to wait to see that in the next part of the video. You guys stay tuned. And looking into Patricia, this is where the windshield wiper motor was. There is no adjustment on the wiper motor, but there is an adjustment there, which is, oh, I hate this. I gotta tear that whole doggone unit out of there. I really don't want to do that, so I'm gonna try a couple of other things to see if it works. My hope is if it slipped once, I'm hoping that it will just slip back if I hold it in a position. But before I try that, I'm going to see if the actual motor itself will reset. So I'm going to put these down into the down position, disconnect the batteries, click the starter switch on, and hopefully drain all the power out of the power distribution panel. And then reconnect the batteries, and let's see if it holds in that position. Keep your fingers crossed. This is the least invasive part that I could even think of, so let's try it. Well, I'm gonna know immediately if that worked or not. Let's just see if it did. And it did not. Okay, let's see if I can hold it. Well, it is better. I think I did get it to slip a little bit. So let's try that again. All right, since I don't have 3 arms to grab this all at the same time, I've enlisted my son to help me with this, so hopefully this works. It stayed put. I think I got it. Let me check. Where's it at?
It's.
Okay, you ready? Don't touch it until it comes back down. Yeah. And grab it. Okay, let it go. Oh, shoot. Oh, that did it. Why is it doing that? Well, I think that windshield wiper is on its way to getting fixed. I think I've got about 75% of it fixed. I still got about 25% more to go. It seems to be working, so I probably just need to do it a couple more times and see if that works. If not, then man, I really hate to have to tear that dash all the way apart. Anyway, the next fix, let's go ahead and get to it. So the issue is right here. Okay, this gauge, it starts to flicker on this first little notch, and the clutch will engage, and so it keeps everything like really, really cool. And I don't think that the diesel engine really likes it being that cool. It never, as long as I've owned it, has gotten above 165. So I think the sending unit is bad. Let's see if we can change it and get that to work a little better. Make sure it's clear in here that nothing's gonna fall forward first, right? This is where the part is on the engine, right there. And so you can see it a little bit better. This is the one out of Patricia. This is the part that I need to replace. All right, wrench size is 1 1/8. It's always good to go and get some big, humongous wrenches at Harbor Freight. They're pretty cheap, and yeah, you're gonna need stuff like this. Whew, that's awfully hot. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit. Well, now I got to take it for a drive. I have to. Well, being that I've never even seen it touch that line before, I'd say that's an improvement. Let's go on up this hill. Yeah, that's the highest I've ever seen it. Well, actually, I've seen it on this drive, just about a 1/16 of an inch above that. Fan never came on. I'm going to count that as a win. Thanks, Mike Moffat. I appreciate that advice. Well, it's not that warm of a day, so, you know, I can expect it not to actually kick on or even get too far above 160, but at least it actually touched that 165 mark, and it actually got just a hair above it. Never seen it get that high before without that old fan kicking on. So big win for me, big win for Malachi, another problem solved. I may have thought of a way that I could actually fix this thing. Let's just see if this works. Well, doggone it, you win some, you lose some. It looks like I'm gonna have to tear that doggone heater out of there. You know what, I have that console on top. That is why I'm just not looking forward to this. If you know a better way, and so that I don't have to tear this out, please, for the love, put it in the comments. I would so much appreciate it. It would really help me out. Next time on Helicool's Helipad, you're gonna be seeing a remote starter going into Malachi. Now, this remote starter is not just some plain Jane, it also has an alarm system. And to top things off, it's a sponsored video sponsored by one of you out there. You'll see who that is next time. Until then, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.